Hello friends, in this video we shall discuss how to invoke Python from the command line. You can start the Python interpreter in the interactive mode right from the DOS prompt also. In front of this DOS prompt that is visible in front of you, write the name of the interpreter Python here. When you have installed the Python software, the python.exe is automatically added into the system path. So write the name of the interpreter and just press enter. You'll get the triple greater than symbol, which is the Python prompt. Here also in front of this prompt, if you write any Python statement like this arithmetic expression and press enter, it will respond to you with its result. Similarly, if I write a print statement and if I press enter, I am going to get its output.